Díolch is Mrs. Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish. And today, let's learn how to ask why in Irish. There are a number of different ways to ask why. And some of these words are more common in certain dialects than others. So we're going to learn some of the most common in the three primary dialects. One of the most common in the Connacht dialect is Kayn fáth. This particular way of asking why is common across Ireland. Kayn fáth. It literally means which reason. Kayn fáth. Repeat after me. Kayn fáth. It can be used on its own to just ask why. Kayn fáth. Why? Or it can also be used in a sentence. In Ulster, a common way of asking why is cad hwig-eh. Cad hwig-eh. Cad hwig-eh. It can be used on its own, just like Kayn fáth, just to mean why, cad hwig-eh, or it can also be used in a sentence. A popular way to ask why in Munster is cad in a hawv. Cad in a hawv. Repeat after me, cad in a hawv. This is usually used at the beginning of sentences, or in the middle of sentences. Now let's use all of these in the same sentence. Now let's use all of these to ask, why are you happy? Or why are you joyful? Kayn fáth bhfuil áthas ort. Kayn fáth bhfuil áthas ort. Repeat after me. Kayn fáth bhfuil áthas ort. Cad hwig-eh bhfuil áthas ort. Cad hwig-eh bhfuil áthas ort. Why are you happy? Cad hwig-eh bhfuil áthas ort. Repeat after me. Cad hwig-eh bhfuil áthas ort. And last but not least, cad in a hawv bhfuil áthas ort. Cad in a hawv bhfuil áthas ort. Repeat after me. Cad in a hawv bhfuil áthas ort. Now you know more than one way to ask why. This will help you to understand others if they ask you why in a different dialect than you speak. You can learn more Irish by taking the Bite Size Irish free trial at www.bitesize.irish. Slán go bhfuilín.